So 656. Okay, 513. 135. And 135. Okay, and 029. Actually, come on, you. Voila. Now what else does she want on here? So these are the t-tests.
What's the why do you I'm not sure if she means we must choose this two-tailed or this one. What's
Okay, so this first couple of rows, this is the test of homogeneity variance. That just means that the variance for the domestic students, the variance in their data is pretty much the same as the variance in the international students. That's what this is a test for. We don't look at these two. We look at the t-test and whether it's significant or not. So, and, hold on.
But when I do the report, APA report, I just need this, right? Which is significant difference?
You actually should put it in APA formatting.
Yeah.
Which is, all right, so this tells you, well, I don't know what this means. This means,
question.
This is the splitting question, 10-4. How many in each sample size, the mean standard deviation of t, whether it was significant or not. So that looks like what she wants to me, but let's just double check. I don't, okay, she doesn't want that.
Oh, she said also, okay, put this, but she said, I don't know why she said this data will be more reliable than this. I don't.
It's because the t-test is a stronger test than these. But you can't use this test because the data violated the assumptions. It violated the assumptions of the normality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this underneath that and ask her if that's what she wants.
Yeah, please, thank you. Sorry, I am not really good at it.
You do not have to apologize. So make it pretty.
Well, the assumptions of normality, right?
Normality. In other words, your data, your question 5 through 1 through 8, the data does not fit a normal curve. So you would not use a regular t-test because it violated the assumption. But if that's what she wants, that's what she's going to get.
But the result.
The results should be the same,
Yes.
whether there's a significant difference or not. So
The first one and the last three, right? Same.
first one and the last 3, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the old one. I'll just leave that there.
Here, first one, last 3.
And I'll put the new one right. Actually, this is the Whitney Mann test. Let me put this, because this is all Whitney Mann stuff. Let me put the t-test right here. All right, so let me write that in here. So, t-tests. T-tests for domestic versus international students for questions 5_1_1 through
8.
question 5_1_8. Through. Get rid of that T. Man, I'm forgetting how to spell. Okay. So let's make sure they're the same. So 1, right? This one is?
Significant difference.
Yeah, nope. Yes, and the last 3. So it doesn't matter which test you run, you get the same results. Significant difference in the first one and the last 3.
She mentioned about depending on the data, or
Depending on the data.
Yeah.
The data violated the assumptions, and I kind of explained that up here, right?
yeah, I highlight.
Or
I
no.
also, yeah.
Right, and they were not normal. I thought I put it in there, right? Or plus they right. It says right here. They all violated the assumption of normality.
I will show her to see which one she likes, and so shall we continue for?
Yes, let's continue. But now
Uh-huh.
I'm concerned. So if she wants you to run a t-test, we'll run a t-test. But you're not supposed to run a t-test if it violates the normality. And I'm not going to tell her that she's wrong. And you're not going to tell her that she's wrong. So...
I will put both. See the table there?
Okay.
Yeah, put both.
Good. Okay, so this is right, this is the non-parametric Mann-Whitney U test.
Maybe I misunderstood her, so I will show her both, then she will make a decision.
Yeah.
And then
And if she says okay, use the t-test, just say even when the data has been proven not to be normal, right? Even if it violates normality, right? Boom, 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 boom. Oh.
and I can. Do you think I can put this this item here? I can combine the table together. I will.
We certainly can. I can do
Yeah,
that right now.
I will.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Now, okay, so
The one we just made it, we can put that information.
I can do this right now. So standard deviation. So these means aren't right? So this stuff right here is from the other test. It's not the t-test.
Oh, they are different.
Yeah, different tests. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make this the mean, not rating, just the mean. Standard deviation we can do quite easily, and the significance. But okay, if she wants significance and not the t-test, that's fine too. We can do that. And so we can do. She wants the standard deviations. Right. Wait, she wants the means and standard deviations. And the sig value. Means and standard deviations, and we'll come back to the sig values. That was just weird.
But it.
Let me. I think it would be easier just to use this one. All right, standard deviations, because it's already been pre-formatted. Okay, so we want. All right, my brain is not working anymore. I'm sorry. Hold on a second. Let's do this. Come on, brain. Let's try them one at a time. So standard deviations and the means. And she doesn't want the t-test? Okay, we're not going to worry about that. So we're going to delete the t-test. So delete the column. Now if we just highlight all of this, why does it get it all? Oh, didn't get that whole, well, let's column. Okay, well, we'll do it one thing at a time here.
Do you need a coffee or something?
Cigarette. Okay. All right, you're making me mad. We'll just do these first and we'll put the other ones in if we can. That goes even over to significance. Okay, so it's, I don't think it's going to cut and paste very well. Did not. Okay, so you know what I want to suggest? We simply use this one instead of this one because they're identical, but this one's already screwed up. So what I'm going to do is just leave that one alone, and I'm gonna make this a different color, which reminds you not to use it. Okay, I'm gonna make this red.
Oh,
Don't use the red one.
smart.
Don't use the red one. Use this one.
Green one and the yellow one.
Use the green one. This is the good one.
Okay.
Because it has the same thing, right? It has the sample size, the mean, the standard deviation, the t-test score, and the significance of the t-test. Now, you think she wants the Mann-Whitney U-test there as well. Okay, we can do that as well. So let's go right-click. Now, well, let's do both. Let's put the t-test in there and the Whitney Mann test statistic and the I got it. We're gonna do this. We're gonna put in insert column to the right. We're gonna do it twice. Insert column to the right. Good. And so she wants the Mann-Whitney U. Right, Mann-Whitney U-test and then the significance of the Mann-Whitney U-test. Okay, we got this. And then again, the sig value. Come on, layout, where are you, man? It should be in the middle, but they're... There it is, right there. Okay, that goes in the center. Okay. All right, let me stop the video real quick. We don't want them too big. All right, so now you want the Whitney Mann and the significance scores, right? All right, so let's see if I can do this the fast way. Nope, that didn't work. We'll just do it again like we did before. We're going to... Where's my merge and
Is this still recording?
Yeah, if it's blinking, it's recording. I just started a new clip.
Oh, actually, I can write down some key options when you using the SPSS. You don't need to record.
Don't need this one?
Yeah.
You got it, girl. Thank you. All right, is it recording? Yes,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
recording.
It's
Okay, so we go to analyze. And we're going to do them all at the same time. Again, this is just preliminary, multivariate. We're going to stick the DVs 511 through 518 into our dependent variable. Our fixed factor is going to be 10.6. Okay. And we're going to check for, we're basically just going to check for the assumptions and homogeneity variance, and we're going to run it. Boom, 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 boom. So these are the different age groups, right? Here's the descriptive statistics. Now, look how close they all are, except for number 45, but you only have 3 people in there. That could be a problem, okay? The statistics output will tell us if it's a problem or not. But now, same thing, right? See, the 45 or older group, they're throwing off big numbers. Mm-hmm. We might have to drop them because there's only 3 of them, okay? Mm-hmm. And this means you did not violate the assumption of homogeneity variance, which is good. We don't really look at that now, but so here's the first one.
Oh.
This will tell you if so here's question 5.1. We look at the sig value.
Mm-hmm.
No, this is the sig value. Remember this. This is the sig value. So actually, we can just use this one, right? Let me make sure. Yep, we can. So between the age groups for 511, no significant difference. Between the age groups 5112, no significant difference. You get no significant difference anywhere. So in other words, the age group had nothing to do with your question 511 through 518.
Then we can conclude it with one sentence. Then we don't need to put chart there, or
You could, yeah. You could say,
put that into appendix.
Oh, that's a good idea.
You're welcome.
That's a real good idea. Hold on. Let me check one real little thing. Analyze. We're gonna see how strongly your 5s are correlated.
Oh.
They're probably strongly correlated. Probably. And okay, 1 and 2 are correlated. 1 and 3 are not correlated. Not correlated. Not correlated. Yes correlated. Yes correlated. Yes correlated. That's interesting. Okay, I think what we did was okay. I think we can get away with running them all at the same time.
So you mean, what do you mean?
So normally, okay, let me show you a one-way ANOVA.
Oh.
General linear model, we just do one way. We only test one of these at a time.
Oh.
There's our DV, and our grouping is this. But now I'm just gonna run it real quick. And there should be no significance, right? No significance. But that's just for the first one. I'll do the second one. Out with the first, out, in with the second. Oops, hold on a second. That was wrong. You, get out. And see, since we're doing them one at a time, they should agree with the one we did them all together. And this one was not significant, right? And I'm pretty sure we're going to get the exact same thing. I don't think any of these are going to show a significant difference. Nope. Oh, I need a nap. Nope. So it's fine. What we did here is correct. None of these show a significant difference.
This table.
Now, I am going to put it on your piece of paper just in case somebody wants to see, they want proof. Okay? So we're going to say no significant differences in the question 511 through
8.
question 518 scores based on age.
Yeah.
And let's make it fit. Auto fit to window. Good.
So that is the violation. No. Okay, got it.
Right. And you don't need any of this stuff. Partial, well, let's just ask her what she wants to see in here. And we don't care about the intercept. I'm going to get rid of this whole block here. We don't need the intercept.
Oh.
It's not what you're checking for. And we're going to delete entire rows. Beep, beep. And we don't need the error, and we don't need the total, and we don't need the corrected total. I'm just gonna make this. I'm getting rid of the stuff you don't need.
Oh,
How's
thank
that?
you so much.
And I screwed it up completely. Okay, hold on. We're gonna get rid of delete the rows.
You know, I gave.
Didn't delete the rows. Let's try it again. Come on, you.
It's almost down to.
Delete the rows.
So I did not exactly, but it's a replay. So yeah, it's right.
What you looking at? What part of China you from?
Little bit complicated. Have you heard about the Inner Mongolia? Inner Mongolia. Good. Inner
Up
Mongolia.
north?
It's part of China. A lot
Up
of people.
north?
Yes, up north. A lot of people confused with Mongolia country and Inner Mongolia, but it's in the past, Mongolia and Inner Mongolia used to be one nation. Used to be belong to China. Not Asian China, not today's China. So for some reason they separated. And the Inner Mongolia, just like Mexico, like California still used to be part of Mexico, right? But today they separate. The similar, I'm from Inner Mongolia, but Inner Mongolia still keep traditional Mongolia culture, language, costume, everything.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't. But I try.
And you
my
call
best.
yourself Inner Mongolia?
But yeah, I grew up in the like a pure Mongolia environment. But personally, I'm a Korean ethnicity. My whole family are Korean Chinese.
Can you do the throat singing?
No, I can't.
That's hypnotizing. You just watch it and go, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, back to work.
Also, yeah.
Good, there it is. So none of these are significant, right? No significant differences.
Yeah. Then let's do next. I hope all of these are no significant.
Yeah, make it easier on you. Okay, so there's that one. And okay, so let's just go up to the next one.
Q7. SPSS. Yeah. It's the. I think it's the education.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to keep this from being a 300-page document here.
Q6, Q7. Q7 is education.
Richard don't be holding people. There's free food for students in McDonald Hall. And the food is ready.
What's it doing over there?
Yeah?
What's it doing over there?
You see, she has already served hers. It's free food. Go and eat.
Oh, thank you. Oh, barbecue?
McDonald's Hall?
Yeah.
The cafeteria?
Next to the cafeteria, next to the cafeteria on the other side.
Yeah, let's go. Barbecue.
Go get something to eat. I have somebody coming in here at 5 o'clock here, so we have to hurry.
Can I bring some food for?
No, don't bring none for me. I have to be hungry when I get home, but thank you. But thank you. Thank you.
Oh, you have another appointment. I think.
I'll tell him. Hey, there's free food over at the cafeteria.
Oh, I think until 7. Let me
Until
check.
7, okay. I'm kicking you out at 5, so.
Let me check the email.
Why you are so busy?
Oh, you have no idea. I'm the busiest guy on earth.
You're the most popular guy. Oh yeah, 4 to 7.
Really? Today?
And today is Wednesday. And two times. Another one. Thursday. Oh, today and tomorrow. Can you read?
And tomorrow?
Yeah.
How
Same
come I didn't
place.
get one?
Today and tomorrow.
Wow. You make sure you go stuff your face over there when we get done. Here, let's do as many as we can till 5 o'clock, and then you can go eat.
Thank you.
So, is there a significant difference in preference of flight school marketing approaches?
Promotion? Oh yeah. I otherwise I have so many.
What are are these still the 511 through 518?
Yeah.
That's what we just did,
Oh.
isn't it?
Let me see. This is before. Oh, this are about ages, and next one is about the different educational levels here, and still marketing promotion approaches.
So why are we saying non-parametric tests?
Oh, it's you can delete it. It's my. I thought we use this. I thought we should use this. You can just delete it.
Wait, let's back up. Whoa, so what was 1B? This was 1B. No, this is males and females. We didn't do the males and females.
Because it's two groups, which is very similar with international.
We'll do the males and females again. It won't take very long. So.
Oh, okay.
But this one is.
Ages.
Yeah, this one is C.
Oh, you are so.
This is the ages right here.
Thoughtful. Yeah. Professional.
Okay, and so I just did a MANOVA. I'll just put in here MANOVA. And they should see that. Why? How come the spell check's not working? Hold on, let's put the spell check.
What is that lady's name?
Her name is
The lady who came
Becky. She is our career services person. She's smart. She knows where all the good food is. Where's spell check? I don't see spell check
I
anymore.
will correct the spells later after. Later.
Okay, hold on. I don't like anything out of here. Okay, MANOVA. This is what we did. So MANOVA. So it should say it here somewhere, but let's just make sure that it says that. Yes.
I'm leaving my stuff in your office while I go get food.
All right, give me $20.
Okay, but when I come back.
Okay. You took that so well. All right, so let's go back to t-tests. Now, for the t-test, do we want the same table with
Yeah.
Whitney test? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, dokie, schmunky. Here we go. So, let's do...
Gender.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to go to... Boop. Boop. And let's do the compare to means.
Is there any way we can do together, like from block question where all of them, and choose gender together to see if there's.
Yeah.
Let's try.
You really? So you want these in there as well?
Yes.
Yeah, we can do them all.
Also including yeah. Those.
We can do them all the way down to here. Which one is gender?
Q.
We got it right
Five.
here.
Q5.
There it is right there. Q5. Good student. Good student. 1 and 2.
No significant. No significant.
Dun, 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 dun. So the problem is you got too few females and too many males. But let's go down to the outputs, and we're looking at sig. We're looking at the sig value. So anything less than 0.05, there's a significant difference between the groups. There's one. 614. There's one. 611. And those are the only two.
Yeah, then I just need to mention 2 of them. And I can put this table, if it's too big, I can put it into the appendix. Or just put it in there.
All right, let's move this over where we can do something with it. Paste. So this was male versus female with all questions.
Item. Oh, questions. Yeah.
Yeah. So who is significant? We got this one.
6.
So this one was significant, right?
1, 5, 6.
What was 614?
Appeal. Here, like a campus appearance. Like,
Oh, interesting.
yeah, it makes sense, right?
It does make sense. So let's see who had the higher one. Let's go back into here. Oop, not here. Here. Because here's all the means and everything right here. So go ahead and put that right next to these guys. Yeah. So 616, 614. Let me move it down so they're a little bit right on no money here. Oh well, 614. The males were higher than the females. So in other words, the way it looked was more important to the males than it was the females.
Oh.
See that?
Oh.
Surprising. And what's the other one? The other one is this one.
Q11.
So it's a
Administration effectiveness.
Effectiveness. So Q11 is right here. And again, the males are higher. They're significantly higher than the females on.
Effectiveness. Administration effectiveness.
Okay, good. So females don't care as much about administrative effectiveness as males do.
Yeah, maybe they don't know too much about aviation.
We can't say that.
Oh, sorry.
And no, so those are the only two.
Yeah.
This one's close. And that's it. So those are the only two. Now, since there's only two, I can't see you putting in the entire. Look how big this thing is. And you only had 2 significant differences. This one and the other one.
Yeah.
Now, why don't I just leave these here in Excel? I'll send them to you, and you ask Dr. Q what she wants to see.
Okay.
All right? So we'll make them here, and I'll say this for you right now. Oh, I better stop this video. It's going to be a million miles long.